Hello, quick introduction to the video. My name is Cameron. I am a graduate apprentice software engineer currently studying at Glasgow University, and I'm using this video as a way to sort of rubber ducky debug a LeetCode problem, just attempt to solve it, talk through my thought process, and hopefully it's useful to someone on here. So, the problem I'm going to be attempting today is 1 to 5 valid palindrome. So, a phrase is a palindrome if, after converting all the uppercase letters into lowercase letters, removing all alphanumeric characters, it reads the same forward as it does backwards. Alphanumeric characters include letters and numbers. Given a string S, return true if it is a palindrome, or false otherwise. So a man, a plan, a canal, Panama, is a palindrome. This is because if you remove all the spaces and convert it all to lowercase and remove any like colons or whatever, it reads the same forward as it does backwards. So, constraints, the length is between 1 and 2 times 10 to the power 5, and S can only have printable ASCII characters. So, I'm just going to swap over to my notes here. Ideas. So we need to sanitize the word first. So first, I think we're going to have to convert to lowercase. There's .lower. There's .lower function in Python. We'll use that. Then we will loop through word, check if it is alpha numeric, if it is add it to a, well, maybe add it to a new string, called sanitized. Check if sanitized string reads the same backwards and forwards. We'll use reverse for that. So just reverse it and check if the two strings are equivalent. Okay, so I'm just going to copy these notes into here and comment them. So, first thing we're going to do is do s is equal to s dot lower, and then we'll just print s. So it did put it into lowercase, there we go. Loop through the word, so for character and s, there is a thing, I think it's alpha num. Is alpha num? Is num? Dot is num? Dot is alpha num? I'm just going to look it up, but there definitely is. Python is alpha numeric. Is al num. There we go. Is al num s if as al num s. So if it's alphanumeric, we're going to do sanitized s. We're going to append that, so And then we're just going to return going to check if it's the same, if it's reversed. Is num? That is what it said, right? Dot is num. Did I spell this right? Nope. There we go. Reversed, not reverse. Hmm. It's outputting false every time. Okay, I'm just gonna print. Hmm. Oh, I'm doing S. Dot out as num, not character. That's why. I'm referencing the whole string rather than the individual character. Again, I've spelt it wrong. Hmm. Okay. So that failed again. So I'm gonna print sanitized here. Okay. Hmm. I'm gonna check how this works in Python. Guess this is another way to do it. Starting from the end of the string and using slicing. Going backwards one step every time. So we'll just, yeah, this will just reverse it. That's another way to do it. So check if this is equal to hit run. Accepted. Gonna hit submit. And accepted. Thank you very much for watching the whole video. If this was useful to you in any way, shape or form, please let me know. If you had any other sort of solution to this was maybe a bit different, or maybe more efficient, please let me know. I love discussing these problems. And yeah, thank you once again for watching, and I hope you have a great day.